Today is Saturday, October 18th, and I'm about to buy a car today. But first, with my son, which you can see, we're going fishing for trout in Illinois. Shit, bro. Don't you guys have a life? Go home or something. We parked almost on this street, bro. We're fishing trout, and some birds are here. Alex, how is it? Cold?
Yeah.
It's not that cold. It's pretty warm actually. Night picture. Jacob, how you like fishing with Dad?
Good.
Good. Alex, how you like fishing? We didn't catch anything for the past hour. I mean,
You've been here for an hour
yeah.
without me?
Mm-hmm. You were tired. You needed some sleep, man.
Breathing. I got a trout, I think.
Alex, help him.
I did.
Oh, come on.
I got it.
You got it in the net?
Yeah. Got it. We got him. We got a trout. We got a trout.
Oh, small one.
Yay. Can we keep it?
Of course.
Yay. We got a trout.
Hi. Okay, first time in my life we got the limit by 8 a.m. Right?
Yup.
We always said like by noon we had 2-3 fish. Today we got the limit. Beautiful.
By 8:04.
And we were the first ones to leave because 5 is the limit, so you know, don't break the law. We might go tomorrow too. I mean, if Jacob's gonna eat one today,
I will.
you will? We will see, bro. Alex, are you gonna eat one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go, guys. I cleaned the fish. They're ready to be cooked, but that will be for dinner, like in the evening. It's 11 a.m. I'm just heading to Indiana, 3 hours to pick up the car. I mean, the location the guy was posted. The guy had posted that Dart was almost an hour closer to me, but when he sent me the exact address, instead of 2 hours 15 minutes, I got 2 hours 50 minutes. So yeah, I just rented a trailer from U-Haul. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, because it's not a dolly anymore, just a regular car trailer. I need my own. Someday I want to buy one with have like a winch, you know, if I'm buying non-running cars, so I can pull it up on the trailer. Yeah, I mean, it makes me happy. That's what I want to do in life, and hopefully one day I'll be able to do it and live of it, you know. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're going to Indiana, and think about this car. I'll tell you the story that I know. The guy in Indiana bought the car from Ohio, from the guy in Ohio. The guy signed the title, and when the guy in Indiana went to register the car, they told him that the title from Ohio needs to be like, it needs a notary stamp on it. That you know what a notary is, right? Notary. I think I pronounced it correctly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my broken English. I'm from Poland, but you know what I mean. Yeah, the thing is, he can't register the car, and I mean, I don't need to register it, and they will probably, the junkyard will want the title. Oh, I was supposed to print some bill of sale. I will not have a bill of sale. It's fine. Maybe the title will be enough, because I'm just parting this car out. So yeah, I'm getting this car for $500 because the guy can't register it. It has like smashed windshield and some, I don't know, boost leak or something. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't really care. I just wanna parts. You know, I need parts for my green car. I'll take some parts for my daughter's car. Like I think ABS sensor should be the same. I'll just, because it's like, I mean, it's not expensive, $30, but $30, it's $30, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'll take whatever I can. I already rented a storage unit, so I'll take off like the doors and everything, the whole interior, and I'll post it on Marketplace. Maybe they will sell, maybe not. Maybe I'll buy something that was like hit from the side or something, you know, or I'll have bumper, headlights, and hood. I'm thinking of anything I can. I have tomorrow a full day to do it. Maybe we will go fishing in the morning, and then I'll be stripping the car. I need that piston, because that piston, you can't buy the piston. There are pistons with connecting rods on eBay for like 150, but those are for 2.4 liter. For 1.4 liter engines, there is none. So I'll take one, and the other 3 used ones, even for $150. If I sell them, I got $450, and it's like almost the car is back. I mean, probably fuel like $50, and the trailer is $60. So let's round it up to $650. That's my cost of bringing this car home and stripping the car. It'll be fun and a new experience to me. I'm almost there, guys, like 5 minutes, and I'm always scared when I go to because I go by myself, and I'm afraid, you know, it's gonna happen like let's say in a movie, wrong turn. You know what I mean, right? I mean, I don't know where am I going, who am I gonna meet, and what are their intentions. But hopefully everything will go smooth. We will find out in 5 minutes. I mean, he's running late, but I'm before the time. Oh, it's getting even better. I mean, if they kill me here, then no one's gonna find me. Nobody. I mean, seriously, like, I don't even know where I am right now. Yep, this is it. That's what I'm getting. What happened here? That's the exhaust right here. Is it open? Oh, it is open. Okay, I understand the price now. But this red, is it like a common thing? I don't know, I've only seen 2 of these. And the radio. Wow. Okay, I don't think we will have... Oh, okay, there are some interior parts here that... Okay, yeah, new turbo, as he said. Nice air filter. Okay, we will have a lot of... That's new too, the throttle body looks newer. And there is ECM, that will be for sale. We gotta pull this engine out today. I mean tomorrow, not today. Should be able to drive onto my trailer. Okay guys, got it loaded in the rain. It's raining so bad, but I'm heading home. Hey, you see that? Another dart. 3rd dart in a month. Like, damn. And here the road. I gotta be careful here because this road is so uneven. I don't know how I'm gonna get through. Guys, I gotta tell you something. I'm so tired. I got up at 4 a.m. today because we went fishing, as you've seen. And I'm so tired that twice on the way back, I'm picking up the mirror. I'm like, what a moron sits on my ass.
Yo, what? Yo, what? That's a cool car. Ah, Alex! Yo, I can't see.
It starts?
I can't see though.
Wait.
Damn. Yeah, and you're a moron. Retard.
That's enough. Okay, guys, last peek at the Dodge that I just brought home. So tomorrow we're stripping the car. It's total mess, but the bumper has to stay because it's cracked right here and right there. But like those grills, I'll take them for sure. The headlights, hood, maybe fenders, the wheels. I'm gonna put the wheels on the green one. They look way better. The doors with the mirrors and everything. I mean, they're not perfect, but I mean, maybe I'll buy one that's damaged like that, and I'll need them. I'll take the seats, and the bumper. All the tail lights are working. That's fine, because when on my way home, the guy passed me and the middle piece didn't work, so maybe he will buy it. Yeah, I mean, rear bumper, it's a little bit hit right here, but I don't know. I gotta make the money back that I spent on it, and all the interior pieces. The guy said he really likes that it has a black. The guy said he really likes that it has a black headliner. I don't know what are in the other cars that I have. What colors are they? I hate the exhaust, but it has the catalytic converter. We're gonna take that. What color? Oh, no, we can't see anything. Is it locked? It's locked. Yeah, I mean, parts car, right? We take whatever we can. And the engine pieces, I'll post everything on eBay piece by piece. Head, the VVT, the pistons with rods, it'll be all separate. Because I'm taking the piston, I'm not swapping the engine. This engine has 200,000 miles, over 200,000 miles. So I'll just sell parts because I know they're not available anywhere. So maybe someone will buy them. If not, then I don't know. I'll buy another one with some problem, you know. You never know. I just rented a storage unit today, so I will have, room for everything. I mean, it's a small one, 5x10, but parts from this car should fit in there. And I'll post everything for sale, and we will see. I'll keep you updated. So if you watched today's video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video from stripping this car tomorrow. I mean, I don't know when I'll upload it, but I'm stripping it tomorrow. Take care.